Good morning, everyone. I have finally finished my exams this week, so I decided to, do a weekend vlog of me just resting, playing, doing anything I want, except for also like trying to focus on my portfolio to get more clients. But yeah, today is Saturday. I did woke up at 10 a.m., but I got up from bed at like 12:30 right now because I just didn't want to get out. But anyways, today the plan is to first of all have lunch or like a brunch. Then I have to like do some client work, and then afterwards I will be going with my friends to do the portfolio together, like in a coffee shop. So, we both give each other some motivation to like actually finish the portfolio because I've been procrastinating for no good reason. And then, like, afterwards, I will be going to pass the time with my family and, exploring Buenos Aires and everything. Probably going to have dinner also outside. We'll have to check that. But yeah, this will be today. I will be having some lunch and then doing some client work. And if I do finish my client work early, I will be playing some games. Yeah, let's go. I am back at home and it's currently 8 p.m. I've been working on my portfolio for 3 hours. We went to the coffee shop at 5. But I really thought I was going to finish the whole portfolio, but I'm still missing like two works that I have to add into the portfolio, and then I will be officially done and I can actually get some clients with my portfolio. If you're wondering what I'm using to create my portfolio, I have the Adobe Creative Cloud subscription, so I can use the Adobe Portfolio webpage to create my portfolio. It is actually pretty good. I wasn't really confident on using it. It's also very flexible and you can actually do pretty good things in that. But anyways, now I'm going to chill a bit and then go to hang out with my family. Good morning. It is the next day. It's Sunday. And I actually didn't do anything I told you about that I will be going to hang out with my family yesterday. Since it got cancelled, I was just chilling, watching Netflix. I worked a bit on my portfolio. I played some games and slept at 2 a.m. and just woke up at 11 a.m. And today the plan, I'm still not sure what the plan is. I'm still so confused. I do have to go to hang out with my family at like 5, 6 probably. And before that, I'm thinking about hanging out with friends or just, chilling at home and doing absolutely nothing or working in my portfolio. Because I do want to finish it, but I don't know what I'm going to do. But anyways, it's already 12. I'm just going to have lunch right now, probably some pasta, and then I'll see what to do. I'm finally back home at 12 a.m. It's been a long day. I actually, before like leaving to, hang out with family and all that, I just did absolutely nothing. I was just watching K-dramas, videos, and nothing else. And looking at Pinterest for inspiration, basically. But I did go to Puerto Madero. I went to like the riverside and all with my grandparents since they are like tourists right now looking at the city. So we've been going to tourist places to show them the city. And also, I got some ice cream. Finally, I was just craving ice cream for the past few days, and it's so yummy. Mint chocolate. But anyways, I will be eating this ice cream and then straight going to sleep. Cause tomorrow I have class, so yeah, I have to wake up early. But anyways, that is all for the video. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye!